Yo, so we got our first thoughts real quick. This is the KD12. Now, this released this month. I think it released last week. I told you guys I really want to get back into performance reviews, and I figured this was a great look. This is the 90s kid. Now, this isn't in my size. This is Kyle's, Uncle Kyle. Kyle behind the camera with the fire visuals. He ain't here right now, but yeah, he picked these up. This is the 90s kid. You know, very loud neon color. These did sell out, so you know, it is what it is, but I love this loud color. It's super fire. As far as KDs go, these look dope. Like, they look pretty smooth. My experience throughout KDs is just they have been really narrow, so I haven't been able to wear them. When I did, it would like tear my feet up. And for me, like, I like shoes that I can just take out of the box, go straight to the court and start hooping, no issues, and just get buckets immediately, you know? So I'll be interested. I'm gonna try to get my pair. I think it's called the day one pair, the all black. I like just the simple black, but I mean, this is hard too. I could pick these up. It's like $30 over retail on StockX, but I don't know if it's that serious. Either way, you know, it's all the same, but man, this is a super fire colorway. It's actually inspired by the Air Command Force, which, you know, if you know 90s, White Man Can't Jump, you know, that's where that became popular in the first place. But, you know, first impressions, there's a nice fly material throughout the shoe. I think it's dope. What I really like is that the sole is actually separated from the entire shoe, and the Zoom Force is stitched up, like it's separate and it's stitched. So I think that's pretty cool. The meaning or the reason behind that is to kind of absorb that shock, which for me, like when I jump, most shoes tear my knees and my back up just because it doesn't really absorb the force. You know, usually it's like a very flat shoe. Kobe 8s have still been like my go-to. Kobe 9, the High Elite. Those have been the best for me. So I'm excited to try out a different basketball shoe. Yeah, man, just the first initial thoughts of this. It looks cool. Like, I like the way it looks. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks the same shape as a Kyrie, but for the most part, it's just so cool. I love the small little details, and you guys can see them. On the back, you have like a flag, I guess a shoe flag you'd want to, I guess you could call it. It's kind of like a weird material, but it says Kevin Durant on one side, and then on the other side it says 12th edition. And overall, just a really clean shoe, like stitching, glue. It's just well put together. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting my own pair and trying them out. But I kind of just wanted to show you guys these, and I want to know who picked them up, who has the KD12s, how do you like them, how do they perform? Stay tuned for a performance review. I'll probably hit up the mall here soon and go pick these up. Kyle did get an 11. Yeah, I can't squeeze into an 11, but they look cool. Nice padding. Ooh, cushiony insole. Looks like a go for $150. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you kind of my first thoughts on the shoe. Overall, I'm digging it right now. Like I said, it doesn't seem too narrow. If you have a wider foot, it looks like it's all good, but until I can do the actual performance review and try these out, these are just my first thoughts. I love the way it looks. Yo, even like the tongue feels so nice. Dang, I'm gonna have to go get these like meow. This is a cool shoe. Good job, Nike. I'm digging this. These are loud. I might have to pull the trigger on these. Might have to give me a few days, unless they have them in a mall around here. I can't imagine these are sold out everywhere. But yeah, there you guys have it, man. First thoughts. Let me know what you think down below. Nice fly wire. I will catch you guys in the next one. Very clean shoe. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. Run it. Hands in the air now.